Chapter 18 Cities of India. Let's begin. You will learn Lucknow, Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Jaipur, Ahmedabad, Guwahati. Children, how many states are there in our country? 28, sir. Very good, Soumya. Can you name a state from where you can see the sea? Yes, sir. We can see the sea from Gujarat. Teacher's note. Start the chapter by asking the children about the different cities they have visited. Let them speak out their experience during those visits. Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai are metro cities or big cities of our country. However, there are some other cities also which are big and have many places worth visiting. About a decade ago, these cities were not so developed. But as there was sharp increase in population, these cities also developed better facilities for education, industries and other services. Now, they have many facilities and infrastructures like metro cities. Let us read about some of these cities. Lucknow. Lucknow is the capital city of Uttar Pradesh. It is popularly known as the city of Nawabs. It is situated along the banks of river Gomti. The climate of Lucknow is extreme. It is very hot and dry in summers and shivering cold in winters. The people mainly speak Hindi or Urdu. The government of Uttar Pradesh works from Lucknow. The city is famous for a variety of dishes like kebab, rumali roti, nahari kulcha, zarda, korma and many others. Lucknow is famous for its chikankari work in clothes, fragrances called itr and handicrafts like earthen toys and pottery. The main festivals celebrated here are Holi, Diwali, Dashera, Christmas and Eid. Lucknow Mahotsav is a 10-day festival which is celebrated in the month of November-December. It shows the traditional culture of Lucknow. The places of tourist attraction in this city are Imabara, Rumi Darwaza, Clock Tower, Shahid Smarak and many more. Jaipur. Jaipur is the capital city of Rajasthan. It is commonly known as Pink City. This is because Maharaja Ram Singh of Jaipur painted the whole city pink in color to welcome the guests. It is situated on the eastern border of Thar Desert. Maharaja Savai Jai Singh II found the Jaipur city about 300 years ago. The climate in Jaipur varies from extremely hot in summer to pleasant and cool weather in the winter months. The government of Rajasthan works from Jaipur. The people of Jaipur speak Rajasthani, Hindi and English. The food of Jaipur is world famous. Dal bati churma, missi roti and sweets like ghevar, finni, gajak and choguni ke laddu are some famous dishes of Jaipur. The people of Jaipur wear colorful clothes and turban. It is also famous for its tie and dye clothes and jewelry made out of precious and semi-precious stones. The festivals celebrated with great joy in Jaipur are Tej, Diwali, Gangor, Kite Festival, Elephant Festival, Camel Festival and many others. The places worth seeing in Jaipur are Jantar Mantar, Amber Fort, City Palace, Jal Mahal, Hawa Mahal, Central Museum, Dolls Museum, Ramgarh Lake and many more. Fact frame. Rajasthan is one of the biggest states of the country which shares the international boundary with Pakistan on the western side. Hyderabad. Hyderabad is the capital city of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. It was founded by Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah around 400 years ago. Hyderabad is also popularly known as City of Pearls or City of Nizams. This is because the trade of pearls was popular in Hyderabad since the times when the Nizams ruled Hyderabad. The people of Hyderabad mostly speak Telugu, Urdu, Hindi and English. It is located on the banks of Musi River in the Deccan Plateau. Hyderabad has a moderate climate throughout the year. The climate is pleasant between October and February. The most popular dish of Hyderabad is Hyderabadi biryani. Marag, keema, samosa, malai korma, burani raita, Hyderabadi khichdi, sheer khurma, and many more. Women in Hyderabad usually wear sari or salwar kameez. The traditional dress for women, however, is the khara dupatta or standing veil and salwar kameez. Men usually wear kurta pajama and sherwani. Festivals such as Dashera, Ramzan, Eid, Christmas, Diwali and Navratri are celebrated on a grand scale in Hyderabad. The places of tourist attractions are Charminar, Golconda Fort, Hussain Sagar Lake, Jal Vihar, Lumbini Park, Qutub Shahi Tomb, Purani Haveli and many others. Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is the largest city of Gujarat. It is located along the banks of the river Sabarmati. Summers are extremely hot and harsh, but the weather is pleasant in winters. The people here speak Gujarati, Hindi and English. The famous foods of Ahmedabad are dhokla, khaman, fafda, sev mamra and many others. The traditional Gujarati dresses for men include kurta and dhoti. Women in Gujarat wear sari or chaniya choli. The festivals like Uttarayan, Navratri, Deepavali, Holi, Ganesh Chaturthi, Eid and Christmas are celebrated with great enthusiasm in Ahmedabad. The places of tourist attraction in Ahmedabad are Sabarmati Ashram, ISKCON Temple, Swami Narayan Temple, Bhadra Fort, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Museum, Kankariya Zoo, Sanskar Kendra, Auto World Vintage Car Museum and many others. Bengaluru. Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. It is earlier known as Bangalore. It lies towards the southeast of the state of Karnataka. The city enjoys moderate climate throughout the year. The popular food dishes are bisi bele bhat, gobi Manchurian and other South Indian dishes. The people wear their traditional dresses as well as western clothes. Almost all the festivals are celebrated in Bengaluru. Some of them are Ugadi, Makar Sankranti, Ganesh Chaturthi, Dashera, Diwali, Mahashivratri, Holi and others. Bengaluru city is also popular as Silicon Valley of India and City of Gardens. This is because it has major information technology, IT companies and many beautiful gardens. The places of tourist attraction are Bangalore Palace, National Gallery of Modern Art, Tipu Sultan's Palace and Fort, Lal Bagh Botanical Garden, Kubon Park, Ulsoor Lake and many others. Fact frame. Bengaluru emerged as the IT hub in the 1980s. In the United States, Silicon Valley is the major hub for IT companies. Since Bengaluru is the major hub for IT companies, it became known as the Silicon Valley of Guwahati. Guwahati is the famous and largest city of Assam. It is located along the banks of river Brahmaputra. The climate of Guwahati is usually humid. It remains pleasant in most of the months of the year. The people of the city speak Assamese, Bengali, Hindi and English. Rice and dishes made of it are the staple diet of Guwahati. Fish is also an important part of daily food. Assam tea is famous all over the world. The traditional dresses of men are dhoti and gamosa. Women wear mekhela chador. It is worn by women of all ages except children. Assam silk, muga, is in huge demand all over the world. Bihu is the famous festival of Assam. In addition, the festivals like Manasa Festival, Ambubachi Mela, Rangoli Utsav, Brahmaputra Beach Festival are also celebrated. The places of tourist attraction in Guwahati are the Kamakhya Temple, Assam State Museum, Forest Museum, Kalakshetra, Guwahati Planetarium, National Science Centre, Umanda Island and many others. Recall. Lucknow is the capital city of Uttar Pradesh. It is situated along the banks of river Gomti. Jaipur is the capital city of Rajasthan. It is commonly known as Pink City. Hyderabad is the capital city of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Ahmedabad is the largest city of Gujarat. Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. It was earlier known as Bangalore. Guwahati is the famous and largest city of Assam. It is located along the banks of river Brahmaputra. A. Take the correct option.